just stop scrolling here. This video you're watching right now was created completely with AI. No camera, no actors, no expensive production team. And the craziest part, this AI tool might have just beaten Sora, Kling, and Vio. Today, I'm testing Seedance 2.0, the newest AI generator that everyone is talking about. But here's the real question. Is it actually the best AI video generator or is it just a gimmick? Okay, let's do something interesting. I used the exact same prompt in 4 different AI models. Seedance 2.0, Sora 2, Kling AI, and Vio 3.1. Notice the physics in the water here. Seedance handles motion much more naturally. Look at the character consistency. The other models start to distort, but Seedance keeps the subject stable. And the audio video sync is also better in many cases. And here's the best part. You do not need to jump between 4 different websites to use these models because there's a platform called ChatArt that gives you access to all of these all in one place. Yes, Seedance 2.0, Sora, Kling, Vio, all inside a single AI workplace. And for many creators outside China, accessing Seedance can be directly very challenging. But ChatArt solved that problem instantly. Here you can choose different models, but today we're selecting Seedance 2.0. First of all, I'll try text to video feature. Next comes the most important part, the prompt. The simple prompt formula dramatically improves AI video quality. See, I have written the prompt according to it. Okay, let's generate it. One of Seedance 2.0's killer feature is something called start and end frame reference. This means you can control how your video begins and how it ends. Most platforms do not support this feature yet, but ChatArt fully supports this. Let's do this. Sometimes generation may take a little longer. This is simply because Seedance 2.0 has a high demand, and if generation fails, you can just try again. And there it is, a fully cinematic AI video generated. Created in just a few minutes. So to summarize, ChatArt is one of the most powerful AI platforms right now because you get multiple top-tier AI models in one place. You can create text, images, music, videos, and most importantly, you get access to Seedance 2.0. You can check their plans out. Their 1-month plan is $19.99 and their lifetime plan is $399.49. You can compare these packages and get the one that suits you. They have another 1-year plan, which is $120.49. You can also get diamonds, and based on that, you'll be charged. You can see the price changing according to the change of numbers in the diamonds.